everyday warmth of a city hides in the deep alleys of Xihu District's old streets. Right beside Wanshou Palace lies Daizi Street in Nanchang's Xihu District. A strand of Zongzi fragrance, drifting on for over 40 years, is the most moving touch of intangible heritage in these old lanes.
这个粽子的配方是我婆婆的婆婆传下来的。我们这个粽子啊，就是三角粽子，我们南昌人做的都是。我们这个粽叶是要先泡发，包成这个三角形，有棱有角的这个粽子放到锅里面去，就用水焖过粽子，但是煮起来呢，基本上要到4个半小时。我们这些粽子还销往澳大利亚、新加坡、南非、意大利。 用最好的食材，用自己的技术，才能包出最好的粽子。
From a humble street store to a sad heritage shop on Daizi Street, over 40 years, rigorous ancient skills and craftsmanship passed down through generations have turned a small Nanchang triangular zongzi into a living heritage mark on this old street. The time-honored craft hidden in Xihu Old Street, chasing language barriers, quietly drawing in visitors from afar. Inside small shops along the street, veteran artisans teach age-old techniques in person, letting traditional crafts come alive through his own experience. Every zongzi carries the warmth of daily life. Every bite tells the story of Xihu. Across mountains and seas, a bite of Nanchang's authentic zongzi. That foreign phrase feels the warmth of heritage and the quiet tenderness of Nanchang.
It was like my first time making like the zongzi. It seems to be easy, but when you try by yourself, it's much harder and harder. So the first thing, we took the rice, we put it inside of the leaves. We do like this, but we actually failed to make it like the old lady. And we tried the first time, the second time, the third time. After that, the image is becoming like much clearer and clearer. I really appreciate it, and I want to thank her from my deep of my heart.
It was my first time to see this kind of thing. I didn't know how to make it. I didn't know the name. It was my first time. I was very happy to learn. I think I will try it next year. If I have the opportunity to try, I will try again and again and again. And it's also very, very, very delicious, I think. I recommend it to all foreign friends who come in Nanchang in China to try it.
Hello everyone. We came to one of the beautiful places in Nanchang City with my friends, and we came here to make zongzi. After making zongzi, I tasted. The taste was very delicious.
Old alleys preserve ancient charm, while zongzi aroma passes on living heritage. In Xihu District, Nanchang, everyday life serves as paper and craftsmanship as a brush. Wrapping century-old traditions and over 40 years of dedication into time, so that intangible heritage of Jiangxi endures year after year without end.